In this video, you will know about the best coding practice websites that will grow your coding skills. First website is Leetcode. Leetcode is one of the most well-known online judge platform that you can use to practice your programming skills by solving coding questions. Second website is Codeforces. Codeforces is one of the most used and well-known coding challenge and practice websites in the world, and it is sponsored by Telegram. Especially if you know about CP, competitive programming, then there is a high chance you have heard a lot about this website. Third website is Hackerrank. Hackerrank is one of the most popular coding practice websites out there. This is a nice platform for everyone, especially beginners. If you want to learn any specific topics or programming languages, then this website is the perfect place to get started in that. You can prepare yourself by topics. You can also take their certification exam and stand out from the crowd. I have already passed their Python Basic certification exam. Fourth website is Codechef. Codechef is another popular Indian website like Hackerrank where you can solve a lot of problems, take part in contests, and so on. You can filter the problems based on different categories and solve them using any of the most popular programming languages. They also have a learning section on their website where you can learn how to solve problems in a systematic way. This is super helpful, especially for beginners. Fifth website is Atcoder. Atcoder is a programming contest website based in Japan. Makoto Sejima, who is one of the former admins and problem writers from Topcoder, is a founding member of Atcoder. On this website, you can take part in different programming contests. They held regular programming contests on Saturdays and Sundays. Also, you can solve problems from previously held programming contests. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe this channel for more video.